Fair skin and unfair treatment. Rethinking role of medicine media. As public concern around steroid misuse grows, the ILDS and national dermatology bodies have called for stronger regulation, but Professor Bhatt believes a more holistic response is needed. Yes, pharmacists must stop selling these drugs without prescription, but we also need public awareness and campaign that de-link fairness from beauty and promote skin health over skin tone. Education will play a key role. School and institutions must challenge long-standing stereotype about skin color, said Professor Sumathi. If we wait until adulthood, these beliefs are already deeply embedded. Both experts stress that in the media, from the cinema to social platforms, has critical role to play. We need more realistic and diverse representation, Professor Sumathi adds. Advertising still centers around lighter skin models, and even when the audience itself is far more diverse. Anthropology also offers a way forward by encouraging us to move beyond the simplistic binary for the fair and darker skin. Postmodern perspective suggests that these categories aren't fixed. As Professor Sumathi, there are nuanced overplays and real need to stop seeing skin tone as a ladder of value. Instead of treating fairness as a deal, as ideal, we can begin to ask different questions. What does it mean to care for your skin? How can we value wealth, health, heritage, and individual variations over inherited ideals? We must dismantle the idea that beauty, competence, or virtue is tied to complexion, she says. This takes some time, but it begins with everyday language and representation towards a different kind of fairness. Skin ultimately is a story, one of the ancestry, adoption, and lived experience. In India, the story has been shaped by history, reinforced by the commerce, and absorbed into daily life. But as more voices from the dermatologists and anthropologists, patients to educate come together, that narrative is beginning to shift. A new kind of fairness is emerging, and one prioritize equality over complexion, dignity over perception, and truth over tradition. This isn't about criticizing people of wanting to care for their appearance. It is a natural instinct, but it's essential to ensure that these choices aren't shaped but unexamined ideals of unsafe products. True empowerment lies to inform decisions where the beauty isn't dedicated by the fairness, worth isn't measured in skin.